Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So in this video, I have some tips or some simple things which is most important things to keep in mind while you prepare while you apply for Cognizant. And 5 companies have conducting their off-campus recruitments, mass hiring actually, without considering your resume, without considering your academic backgrounds. So let's discuss everything in detail. So before that, if you like this video, don't forget to like this video, and if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon to get the notifications, because most of our viewers are from non-subscribers. So if you could subscribe our channel, then you will be getting the notifications at the right time regarding this hiring videos. So the link will be getting to you at the right time. Before link get expired, you will be getting to register. Okay, so that's all about that, and let's move on to the video. So coming to the preparations or things that you should keep in mind while Cognizant preparing or Cognizant application is something like, this statement is very important. You must have gone through this while going through the eligibility criteria. If you have applied for the previous Cognizant hiring, then you should not apply this time. Your candidate or your application will not be accepted. So this is very important. This is common with most of the companies. So you should not make some random application like, okay, let me apply. You just apply, and without any preparation you just appear for the examination and you will not be getting selected. And if next time on the next hiring cycle, if you thought like, okay, let me apply this time and I'll be preparing this time and I need to get this opportunity done, you should prepare for that and don't miss this opportunity. Make your registration and apply for that. And some of the tips that I would like to share regarding the online assessment is, we have some criteria or some sections like aptitude, coding, debugging, essay writing, everything in Cognizant online assessment. So coming to aptitude is something like to assess how simple you think for a problem. Okay, so how shortcuts that, what all the shortcuts that you know, and time management, everything is all these things are about the aptitude. So you can get like access to so much of mock papers available, and even we can help you with so much of courses. So if you wish, you can go to the link given in the description. Else if you're going for self-learning too, you can get plenty of videos from our video sections in YouTube, or you can get so much of mock papers on the previous mock papers in internet everywhere. And by using that, please to prepare and just take so much of mock test, because only then you will get to know that how well you get to manage your timing. Okay, so it is very important to attend mock test, so do prepare likewise. And next is coding. So coding is, you should work out in logical part, and some characteristic features of every coding languages must be known to you. So just go through the criteria of every company. It's not especially with Cognizant, it's for everything. So when coming to Cognizant, all the programming languages which they are expecting, you should go through that and prepare very well for that on the logical part and the algorithms and the way that program execution, everything you should know about it and make your registration. Okay, and next we have the essay part. And now coming to the essay part, essay is not something like an article, it's not something like a speech, it's not something like a conversation, it's a fact. It's a prompt, brief description. So it is very important to have that knowledge. If you want to write essay on anything, then you should have a clear idea on that topic. You can't just blabber something, okay, this is that, like that you cannot blabber something. You should have the prompt answer for that. So coming to some of the topics that may come in this Cognizant examination, I'm not very sure, but still some of this can be, because these are the current affairs happening around. Something related to the COVID pandemic and something related to the COVID pandemic, how it affected the IT sector and the corporate world, something like that, or the feminism, equality things which is happening around, and election campaign, everything has been closed just now. So really something related to that, the second wave of COVID, everything. So these are some current affairs running. So you can expect some questions from that, as well as just prepare yourself for essay writing, because essay writing, if you're having a 2-3 sentences, you must have plenty of information in that. You should not just, okay, this is that, COVID is that, not like that. You should go for brief description. So essay writing is very important. You just try that. Without trying, you cannot pass this. You make sure you apply and prepare well for the examination. Okay, so this is about the simple things that you should follow for aptitude, essay, coding, everything. Logical reasoning also, you should think how well you think. So if you have a pattern like thinking, then definitely you can apply. Okay, so that's all about the Cognizant preparation. Now let's discuss about the openings available for these 5 different companies, which is a top Indian unicorn. India's 5 top unicorns are making a direct hiring from you. They don't record your resume, they want you to crack something, that's all. Okay, so basically they'll go for tier 1 colleges like IIT, IIMs everywhere. So when you apply for the job in their sections, it will be get less noticed by them, because tier 1 college students are there filled up, they are in this queue. So here this is an easy way to get onto the job. So we have 5 companies like Red, Razorpay, Urban Company, 1MG and Digital Insurance. So they are offering a great package. From the thumbnail you have got to know that. So let's discuss each company opening and how to apply for that in each company. So first let me start with Red. So it was founded by Kunal Shah, and the estimated valuation for that company right now is $2.2 billion, and they used to pay the employees very well, and it is a great start, or it's a great thing to start your career there, because you will have learning and unlearning process in a wide range. Okay, so growing companies, growing unicorns are really important for your career, because your worth will be higher when you work there. Okay, so here this CTC offered by them is approximately 14 to 26 LPA just for the freshers and for the entry level. So they are accepting 0 to 3 years of experience, and 2021 batch till 2021 you can apply for that. Okay, not for 2022, 23 and all. You'll be getting the opportunity when you pass out. So this is for 2021. Till that you can apply. So preferred skills and competence will be coding, ability to write clean, modular, extensible code in the language of their preference. Okay, you need to write the language of their preference. So the languages are Java, Golang, Python, C#, CPP, Ruby and JavaScript, using proper data structures and best practices. Okay, so this is what they have wanted you to have. You need to know in this programming languages, and you must go for the problem solving skills, HLD and LLD. Okay, so these are the preferred skills and expertise by the company themselves. If you're good at that, you can definitely apply. You don't need a resume, you don't need a great academic score, or you don't need to belong to tier 1 college everywhere. I'll show, I mean I will, like, at the end of this video I will let you know how to apply for that. But if you're skilled in this, then definitely you can apply. No barriers regarding these kinds, like academic score and resume, will affect you in this applying to these kind of jobs. Okay, next job we have Razorpay. So Razorpay was founded in 2014. So it's a new age startup payments and insurance industry. So coming to the hiring, they are hiring for the backend developers, and the CTC offered by them is 20 to 24 LPA. Can you imagine? A fresher is getting these many things, 20 to 24 LPA. And the ideal candidates, what they're looking like, the qualification criteria or the eligibility criteria is passing out in 2021 batch, 0 to 1 years of experience is what they're looking forward for. Okay, so basically 2021 pass outs, 2020 pass out and 2019 pass outs hardly. Now here ideal candidates. Now the preferred skills and competence, all these technical expertise. So here you can see the coding in PHP, Python, Java and C++. Problem solving skills are what they are looking forward for. So I think it's very clear from Razorpay part. So they are paying you 20 to 24 LPA, and they need you to have the backend development for backend development, and they need passing out batches in 2021 and 0 to 1 years of experience, and problem solving and the coding in PHP, Python, Java, C++ is what they're looking forward for. Now coming to the Urban Company, they are an online service company with a validation of $2 million, their estimation validation, and the CTC offered by them is 3 to 6 LPA, and the ideal candidates will be 0 to 1 years of experience, field experience, graduation in any field is fine, preferred skills and competence is field experience. So the CTC offered is 3 to 6 lakh per annum, and 0 to 1 years of candidates are what they're expecting to do. And if you are well good at that, definitely you can apply. And 0 years of experience, I mean, if you are like okay with the field experience, then you can, else 1 years of experience in field interest. Okay, so this is about the Urban Company. Next we have 1MG. So 1MG is also a flaming company right now. So they have an integrated health platform. You might have been knowing 1MG is something like getting the medical aid in an online mode. So here 1MG is hiring for backend development roles, something related to database, everything. So CTC is offered is 10 to 30 lakhs per annum. 30. Now, ideal candidates will be 0 to 1 years of experience as one category and 1 to 3 years of experience in other category. Now, preferred skills and competence will be problem solving, coding skills in Python, Ruby on Rails, exposure workings with any relation or non-relational database, good to have, understanding of message queues, PubSub, and in memory data stores, good to have. Okay, so these are the things, or the preferred skills and competence is what they're looking forward for. Now coming to the digital insurance, which is the fifth company, so they actually required this is the first unicorn in 2021. Their valued is 1.9 billions, and CTC offered is 2 to 7 LPA, and ideal candidates 0 to 1 years of experience and 1 to 3 years of experience. Preferred skill and competence will be front-end development in Angular 2+, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and backend developer in Core Java, Spring or Spring Boot, Hibernate, microservices, RESTful or SOAP web services. Okay. I think it's very clear regarding the package available and the expectations of the required skills by 5 different companies. So these 5 companies which I have presented today is Razorpay, Cred, Digital Insurance, 1MG, and Urban Company. So I think it's very clear. If you have any doubts, please do watch this video again, just backward and forward and watch this and know about it. And it is very important to apply for these jobs. So to register for this, you have to go to revel.com and make your registration by a payment of 1,999. So in this payment, we can help you with the 10% of discount, that is 1,799. Only you need to pay with our coupon code. So that coupon code will be there in the description along with the link for the Revel. So like you may be thinking, why should we have to pay for all this? But definitely some opportunities will not be free, something will be you have to pay for that. So here you can see about the TCS and QT, you need to purchase something, so you need to spend their money, but you are guaranteed for the job if you could perform well. Same here too. When coming to that, you need to go for your academic backgrounds, you need to present your resume, everything. So here they are not requiring that. And there are so much students across India who are very skilled, but having background, like that education background is much weaker, and they will not be having a great resume to showcase because their skills are within themselves and they never got a chance to showcase themselves. This opportunity is for them. So if you wish to grab it, you can go for the following registration steps. Okay, so if you wish, you definitely have to. And from my part, if you ask me, if you could spend this money, you are getting 50 times of the money you have spent in registration. So if you are well trusted upon your own skill and you are well ready to showcase it, then definitely this platform is for you. You can go to the sections in that revel.com and find the company details and what are the things that like you're looking forward for. So I think it's very clear. So Revel is an initiative by Unacademy. So make your registration at the earliest if you think this is the right choice. I would suggest it's the right choice, obviously, because you'll be getting placed in so much companies where you have the higher chance of greater CTC available, and you don't need to present your resume, you don't need to give your academic records, you just need to showcase your skill. So obviously it's great. So your value, everything will be high. So I think it's very clear regarding the video that I've presented today and the Cognizant too. Some tips to follow for the examinations of Cognizant. So please to follow everything. Don't miss any of the opportunity, because opportunity never knocks the door twice. Okay, so when you got something, make the 100% out of that. And if you have any doubts in this video, please do let us know in the comment section. And still, if you have any suggestions that these kind of videos are what we are expecting, or you have trouble in these things when it comes to placement, or when you come to any of the things, then definitely you can mention that in the description. We will definitely look that and we'll work on it. Okay, so that's all for today. If you have any further doubts, let us know. So until I come up with all these opportunities available, thank you everyone. Stay tuned to Online Study For You. Everybody stay happy and stay safe.